Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video by Culture Studio. For this week's product review, we decided to do it a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and do a full unboxing of a new brand we just got. It's called Lane 7. And we're just gonna go over a few garments, but if there's anything that you are interested in from that brand that you don't see within this unboxing video, feel free to reach out. All of it can be accessed by contacting us at sales@culturestudio.net, and we can go ahead and get everything set up and quoted for you. All right, let's go for it. So this first garment that I wanted to show is this nice mustard colored hoodie. It's 100% cotton faced yarn. It's super tight knit, giving it a perfect printable surface area. And in this color particularly is one of my favorite colors for the season. I think it's super trendy, super new, very popular. The second garment that I wanted to go over is this nice vintage washed tee. We're no stranger to the vintage wash. We love mineral soft garments that give you that nice breathable fabric. Perfect for discharge printing. It also has the nice tearaway labels so that you can go ahead and brand it yourself. Now the third garment I wanted to go over is super popular and trendy for the spring season and another great color. It's this nice cropped hoodie featured in this pink color. It's got another tearaway label so that you can brand it with your own branding, as well as the raw edge featured here. It's perfect for both screen printing and DTG. That's why we love these cropped hoodies so much, and that's really big with the season. Now we have quite a few other garments to go over for Lane 7, but I just wanted to feature those three particularly because we find it's like some of the most popular colors, trends, what have you. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, what have you, to keep updated with all of the latest trends.